It is time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. And I also share with you my drink of the day. Today I'm drinking this fruit-infused water called Hint. I got it at the Dollar Tree. I had tasted it before at my daughter's house, and I hadn't found it anywhere. I did come across it at the Dollar Tree, so I was super excited about it. This water is sugar-free, calorie-free, no preservatives, and if you like this kind of stuff, it's a vegan company, but I drink it because it tastes good. Anyway, the point of this video today is to share with you two beautiful spring and summer wreaths that I made. They're very special because one is for my daughter and the second one is for her sister, my other daughter. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the fun. Now let's get to my craft room. Bring your drink. You know the way. Come on, vámonos. Let's go see what I made for my beautiful daughters. Come on. For my first wreath, I am using this beautiful pre-made wreath I got at Hobby Lobby at 50% off. Some florals, the yellow wildflowers are from Michael's. The green flowers and magnolias are from the Dollar Tree. I have some of this lamb's ear that I did not use. Some black and white striped ribbon. And some coordinating ribbon. And I am so loving that lemon print. That's from the Dollar Tree. And some lemons I got at Michael's. I started by placing the green flowers at the focal points of the wreath to better help me with the placement of my yellow wildflowers. Next, I cut all of the stems off of the bunch of wildflowers and stuck them into the wreath, leaving the flowers to peek out slightly from the greenery. Once I had all my yellow wildflowers in place, I replaced the green flowers with the white magnolias to offset all the yellow and green. Next, I brought the green flowers back in, placing them slightly above the magnolias on the left and right side of the wreath. Next, I removed the lemons from the bunch, leaving them as individual picks. I stuck them into the wreath, placing 4 of them around the magnolias. Now it's time to make the bow. I took my whitest ribbon, measured it at 10 inches, folded it over on itself 6 times, creating 3 loops. Next, I took the buffalo checked ribbon, measured it at 8 inches, folded it over on itself 6 times, creating 3 loops. I did the same thing with the yellow ribbon, And with the lemon print ribbon, I measured that at 6 inches. Next, I took the black and white striped and buffalo checked ribbons, folded them in half to find the center, and twist tied them together with a chenille stem. Once I had those two ribbons securely in place, I added the yellow and lemon print ribbon, tied them securely with the chenille stem. Once they were nice and secure, I started to pull apart all of the loops, first on one side and then the other. Once all the loops are separated, it is time for every bow maker's favorite part. It's time to fluff, fluff, fluff. We can never fluff enough. Next, I dovetailed the ends of the ribbon. Next, I took another chenille stem, twist tied it around the bow, and secured it to the wreath. Can't get enough of that fluff and stuff. For the hanger, I tied a piece of twine around the top of the wreath. You want to see how this wreath turned out? Stay tuned for the reveal. Not yet. For this beautiful wreath, I am using this straw hat, some florals, an assortment of coordinating ribbon, some lace, and I also have my performance enhancers, some candy. I started by removing the pink ribbon from the hat. I then took my lace, cut a 36-inch strip, folded that strip in thirds, creating a band, and glued the band around the hat. Next, I took the pink ribbon and glued it on top of the lace. I started by removing the hydrangeas from the stem and glued them directly onto the hat. Next, I added some lilacs on each side of the hydrangeas and repeated this pattern on the left and right side of the hat to create a focal point. Once I had my focal points in place, I started adding the rest of the flowers, coordinating the colors in a symmetrical pattern around the hat. Okay, everybody, it's bow time. I took each of my ribbons, cut them in 36-inch strips. I folded the tail ends, crossing them over each other, pinching the ribbon in the middle, creating a bow, and tying it with a piece of wire. I did the same thing with the green ribbon, 36 inches, cross the tails over each other, pinching it in the middle, and secured it with a piece of wire. Next, I took my floral print ribbon, made a bow, and secured it with a piece of wire. Once I had all three of my bows complete, I layered one on top of the other and tied them together with a piece of wire. Next, I took my pink sheer ribbon, wrapped it around the center of the bow, and tied it in a knot in the back of the bow. Now it's time to what? Fluff, fluff, fluff. So pretty. Next, I attached the bow to the hat with hot glue. Let's dovetail those ratty ends, shall we? Next, I added this beautiful green flower to the center of the bow. I added splashes of greenery for a finishing touch. I used a piece of the sheer pink ribbon to create the hanger. Ta-da! Oh my, this is absolutely gorgeous. It turned out better than I expected. Those magnolias really take this up a notch. And that color combination of the black and the yellow with that creamy white, it sure does make my mouth water. Or maybe it's just the lemons. And then we have this little beauty. If you've ever watched Gilligan's Island, this looks like a hat Mrs. Howell would wear. I can stare at this all day. It literally makes my eyes smile with glee. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!